You guys see it? It's an elusive plastic bag in its natural habitat on a tree. Gotta use the stealth Prius mode to sneak up on it from behind. Go see if we can do something about this thing. Can we get it? Let's go see if we can sneak up on this bag. It's kind of amazing to me how many people drive out here every day and see this guy. You're mine. Oh, wow. Score. Go take this puppy and put him in a basket somewhere. How many times do you drive by those on the side of the road, sitting on trees? Somebody will get that thing. Somebody will get it one day. Man, doesn't that feel good?